So today for entrepreneurship class, we have a house project. So the students are going to create and design their gingerbread house to their very own business. So voting will be on Wednesday. So here's a sample of my gingerbread house, TCC 21. We have a $100 bill, and that's supposed to be me. And then I'm known for having these quarters. Those are 4 quarters for the gumball machine, and then there's a picture of me. All right, so let's see what the students came up with. We just started. I have 2 classes. This is the first class. So this is what we have in the competition. This is beautiful. This is the group Oreo generator, and that is their lovely creation. Very nice. And then I put some decorative Christmas trees. This is the second group. Group Sarah, we'll call it. Beautiful. Wow, look at the roof of that house. They really put some time and effort into that one. So that's the second one. And then we have the third chocolate Oreo looking house. Very creative, very nice. What do you think? So that's 1, 2, 3. We'll have more submissions later this afternoon, and we'll update. We'll have you vote on our channel. This is TCC 21 with Miss Todoric, the cool classroom, and this is our house project for entrepreneurship, designing their gingerbread houses to their business. Thanks for watching. Bye.